name is Brad Goodman of Goodman Guitars. In this series, we're going to be making a 12-string ladder braced guitar. The scale length is going to be 25 and a quarter. With these type of ladder braced guitars, 12 strings at any rate, and with the sixes on the longer scales, they're never tuned up to full pitch. They're tuned down anywhere from 3 to 5 half steps. So for example, that would bring what would be the low E normally down to a C. This is a guitar I just finished, and it's typical of what I build. I'm a power tool guy. I'm a power tool junkie. I love power tools. That's just the way I am. Not to say, every now and then I don't pick up a plane or a chisel, obviously. And you'll see when I carve how we carve the neck. It's all done with hand tools. At least 90% of it. So, but thicknessing the wood. Use sanders and joiners and table saws and on and on and on. A bandsaw is a big one too.